Rest in peace, Verizon Unlimited data plan for Jetpacks. It's gone. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and just as we reported last week, Verizon did remove the Verizon Unlimited Prepaid Jetpack plan from their website this morning. It is no longer available for activation. It did retire today on May 21st, so this ends several months of a fantastic unlimited data plan that was easily accessible, was legitimate for use as pretty much a home internet replacement for RVers and cruisers and even cord cutters and rural folks. So that plan is now gone. We did get confirmation from our press contact at Verizon. In order to be grandfathered in on the plan, you do need to keep your plan always active. Unlike their current prepaid unlimited plans, you have 60 days of lapse time, so you don't have to renew your plan unless you need it before your account is closed. That will not apply to these grandfathered unlimited data plans. If you want to keep that plan, make sure you renew your plan every single month. We highly recommend that you enable the auto pay feature so that it is automatic for you, and you may even want to keep an account balance so that you have that there just in case your credit card's expiration date changes or otherwise is compromised. Don't risk losing that plan. You do need to keep it always activated. We don't know yet what their policy is going to be on replacement equipment, but SIM swapping should be possible for the foreseeable future, so we do recommend going ahead and sourcing any new Jetpack devices or routers that you want third party and just swap the SIM card into it until we have further confirmation if you can actually purchase an upgraded hotspot from Verizon and still keep the plan. So what replaces the plan? Well, on their website this morning at the $70 price point with $65 auto pay is now a 15 gigabyte plan. Tiered data, it does after you use your high-speed mobile hotspot, it does go to 128 kilobits per second, so you technically get always on data, but it's going to be super slow after you meet that cap. However, Verizon this morning also launched a double data promotion for a limited time. Unspecified how limited of time this is going to be, but all of their tiered data plans on prepaid are now double the data for new lines only, and that does apply to this new 15 gigabyte hotspot plan. It is now 30 gigabytes if you sign up during this promotional period. You do get to keep that promotional data for as long as you wish and keep your plan active after the promotion ends. So not as alluring for those looking for a home internet replacement, but that might be an option in the future. We are constantly tracking the top data plans for RVers and cruisers to use as a home internet replacement. You can find our current guidance for all four of the carriers at mobileinternetinfo.com/plan-picks. I'll put a link right down there. And we are constantly updating that guide, and a few times a year we issue a video guidance update, which we will do sometime over the summer. We're hoping some other plans come along that might replace the Verizon one, but you never know. That plan was the first in a really long time that we've seen from Verizon for unlimited data, and unfortunately no longer available. Hopefully you got the word, you got it activated, you did your homework over the weekend. We hosted a special YouTube live event. Hopefully a lot of you were able to utilize that information and get the plan activated before it retired. Well, if there's any new developments, we'll of course be back to update you. Thank you again to our MIAs for making this all possible. These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.